What is going on? Welcome back to another video of On With Ace. I am here in Build a Boat for Treasure. Make sure you leave in the comments if my last tutorial helped you or at least worked, because today we're doing another tutorial. So basically we are going to be making a jet. I have pretty weird names for my saves because I never changed them. But I'm going to teach you guys how to make these jets. So these jets, basically all you need is just any type of jet, infinite jet, normal jet, any. So what I would recommend is, so you place down one thing. I accidentally made them so they fall. But then you do that, then you do so 3 on the bottom, and then it's like that. This is the first part real quick. Or actually, I messed up here. So, you do that. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. So now that you have this, then build this little part. I would recommend using skill tool. Well, you guys don't have to use skill tool. I'm just using skill tool so that it's a little bit quicker. So once you have this, what you gotta do is, so whatever jet, infinite, it's the purple, or normal, whichever one you want, you can use. But for right now, I'm gonna use infinite jets, because that's what I use for all the others. So now that, this is 2 layers, 2 layers. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh gosh, that's way too much. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, oh, wait, we have to go 1 back. So it's 6. And then what you gotta do is, so basically what I do is I do 6, and then I do 1. Then there's 1. Oh gosh, that's another messed up one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that you have 2, 6, actually, you have to do this. So you have the 6, and then you have 1 extra, and then you do something like this. Oh wait, I forgot. Yeah, it's not only 3, it's actually 5. You gotta do something like that, but on all the things. So this is gonna be hard. So you then do that. This is hard. Okay, I'm just gonna place a block right there. Like that. So you just gotta add extra things, basically. The reason it has to be pretty big is just so that you're able to put your seat down. Now you can make this whatever material you want. I just thought, because those other ones were made up of metal or titanium in this game, it's called. So then you gotta do that, and you gotta do that all the way over to here. Go down. So now that you have this, so there's 6 right here. 6 in these 3. Then there's 1 right here. Then you just gotta go boom. This is basically gonna be your little cockpit. So here you go. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Because that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So there has to be, so basically it's made 12 blocks long. So we gotta keep doing this. And then this is like the start of your cockpit. Then what you do is you just go, boom, you place down a seat, make sure it's connected to this, or your jet, and then you pull out more of whatever material you're using. You do this, and then, wait, sorry that I'm a little bad at making these. The first one, I honestly think you guys can easily get this. Well, maybe not really, but like, just because like the first time I ever made these, because like I bet there's people out there who have also done like a jet, but like I like okay, wait. But I like thought of this when I made it. So the first time I made it, it actually wasn't that hard. So then when you have this, you don't need to do this part, but I like to make it like the tip looks like that, because that's like what a real jet sometimes would look like. Then you just fill this part up like that. So the reason why you have it up a little bit is because if you have the screwdriver and you press select all, you could unanchor it and you could fly without launching. Just a quick little tip. Or you could just do it so that you'll fall when you launch. So then you just gotta build this. I would really recommend making this. And it's a pretty cool, like, me and my friends have actually turned it into like a game, basically. Like, you can make your own team and all that. You have to do something to make your own team. And you get your own jet, so it's pretty fun. Make sure you do something like that with your friends if you make it. The jets I showed you guys for the example, those were actually the jets I made for. One of them was for Nico. One was for me. So the first one you saw that was like black and white, that one's Nico's. Then the red one is mine. And then the like other black and white one, that is actually my friend Ryan's. Ryan still hasn't been on the channel, sadly, but he will be on soon. We filmed an Among Us video together, but I lost the file for some reason. So yeah. So this is what you do. You just build the glass like around this. Make sure like half the glass block is like off of the metal block, like how there's this little area. That's how you make it look like this. And then you do 3 blocks, then your trap door, so you can get in like this. And then there's a mech over there. Then basically what you do is, so you go right here, you do 1 block, then you make your wing basically. This isn't the wing, like it's not this skinny. This is just like your frame of it. So that's how long I usually like my wings. And then you just go like this. Like this. Then you do that. That, okay? So now that's 1 wing down. And I did the same on the other side. Who is going over us? Okay, so you keep doing it. Do it one more time. Okay. So now that we have that, okay, that's even. You don't need it even. I'm just like, I like it even because it makes it look a little bit cooler. But take how much time you want to take on it. So yeah, once you have the cockpit done, basically all you do is you just make the wings, which are very easy. That's why I didn't talk that much about them. But once you have this, you could just like paint it everything. Like you can make it like an all black plane. Like you could do that. Whatever you want. I'm just gonna make it all this color. So you do that. This is gonna be a very dark plane. And there. The reason why I'm going inside of like all the blocks is because this jet is making it that it's really hard to do stuff. Okay, everything is done except for that little part and a little bit of this. But yeah, this is the time for the test run. So once you have this is what I was talking about. You press select all, anchor off. So look, now that you're like this, you just turn on the jet and you're able to fly. So this is our little test run. You just go through these. Most of the time, the jet would break, but like you could still survive even if the jet breaks. It's just hard. So make sure you try this out for yourself. I'm not gonna go that far because the jet is pretty slow. Like, well, not that slow. Like you're able to. Oh gosh, I need to pay attention when I'm driving. I barely know how to drive a car in this game, and I'm acting like I'm a pro plane driver. Okay, so yeah, make sure you try this out for yourself. It's actually a pretty fun thing to make. Well, it's not like a fun thing to make, but it's fun when you add that little game where like everyone gets their own team or something, where you can like join teams. What I talked to you about and that stuff. And like each team can have like a customized plane. That's what we are doing with these things. So it's pretty fun. So make sure you try that out for yourself. Make sure if your friends ask for a plane, I'd recommend just watching this video again if you kind of forgot. But it is really easy to make it. So you might forget, but most likely you won't. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So you can, see, that's what I'm talking about. You just lose your C or you lose your jet. But since we lost our jet and stuff, and I lost my helmet, we are going to, and I'm actually scared that these things are going to destroy me. Okay, so yeah. So let's see what the next... Okay, so we're almost done actually. But I'm gonna get to the end for this. But I shall see you guys in the next video. Wait. Peace.